The Sennheiser brand just launched a new headphone, so it is quite rare that you see Sennheiser announce new headphones, but they have really been putting out new headphones. So the new one they just launched is the HD 560S. It is a budget headphone priced well, $200. It is going to be available in I'll probably say in 5 days for for pre-order and purchase, outright purchase as well. The thing here is that it's a redesign. They are pretty much trying to redesign and carve a new part. They have been always been known for being a budget mind. I wouldn't call Sennheiser a budget brand because they make very expensive headphones as well. But I'll say that their budget line tend to pull you closer to the truest form of audio. Their headphones right from time give you the best sound for the money bar the price. And so this particular headphone is an open back headphone. It is going to come with a new driver that extends deep to 6 hertz and extends as high as 38 kilohertz. It is quite decent to reproduce good bass. At least Sennheiser is promising that the bass performance on this particular model will be better than their previous budget model. Sennheiser hasn't really been known for any frequency other than the mids. A lot of people that use their headphones always talk a lot about it. So a lot of people that use their headphones always talk about their mids. They are not known for bass. They are not known for treble. They are known for mids and clarity in vocals. That's where Sennheiser has really been king supreme for a very long time, because you could buy their headphones and monitor with their headphones and you will not feel like you're missing out on anything. They are very good in that regard. So the new HD 560S has a very balanced sound with very good bass response this time around. So they are trying to move a bit away from the so they're trying to move away from their clinical sounding nature of their headphones. So they're trying to make it a little bit more fun while still maintaining the balance of their good vocals, decent highs without being piercing, and decent amount of bass. So they're trying to give you a better balance now, other than what they used to do before. So what you get in the box, you get a detachable 3-meter cable that terminates to a 6.3 millimeter jack. It also has a 3.5 millimeter adapter, so you can convert it and use it with your smart devices or your amps or your desktop setups and all that. At $200, it's really good to deliver good sound for an open back. It is supposed to be a budget gateway for people to get into the audio business and really experience good sound, especially for $200 shipped. You understand? So that's what you should really look at. There's a lot of people like to test good audio products, and I think the new HD 560S will be a very good addition to most people's collection. And that is all I have for you right now. Be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.